Hi, my name is Daniela, and today I'm going to read an extract from the book My Name is Stilton, Geronimo Stilton, written by Geronimo Stilton and published by Scholastic. What's the problem, boss? Platform sneakers? Boss? My new assistant? My head was spinning faster than the screaming rat roller coaster at the amusement park. You are my new assistant? I stammered. It could not be true. That's right, she said. She leaned back and folded her arms. But you're so young, I squeaked. For your information, I am already 14, she said calmly. I shook my snout. That is too young to work at a newspaper. That's what you think, she said. She held up one shocking pink foot. I wear size 12 shoes. I bet my paws are bigger than anyone's on your stuff. Bigger than yours even. I don't care what your shoe size is, I replied. When I was your age, I was playing with my teddy mouse, not working on a newspaper. Pinky Pig shrugged. It's not my fault. You didn't have any goals back then. Cheese nips. This little mouse was starting to get on my nerves. Listen, young lady, I said. I need a true professional to be my assistant, not a little mouselet like you. Now please run along. But Pinky Pig did not leave. Instead, she sat down in the chair in front of my desk. So why did you hire me? She asked softly. Hire you? I cried. Why would I hire someone like you? That's ridiculous. Pinky smiled. She pulled a piece of paper out of her backpack and waved it in front of my snout. It was a contract made out to Pinky Pig. And there was my signature, Geronimo Stilton, right on the bottom. You see, boss, Pinky said, you are so busy, you don't even know what you are signing. That is why you need a good assistant like me. Mousella, I screamed. My secretary scurried into the office. She had a little smirk on her face. Yes, Mr. Stilton, she asked. I grabbed the contract from Pinky Pig. Why did you let me sign this? I asked. You should have told me she was only 14. Why, Mr. Stilton, I tried to warn you, Mousella said in a smooth voice. But you told me your whiskers never lie and that you were very busy and… Yes, I moaned. I had said all of those things. Well, we will just have to start again. Put another ad in the newspaper. Pinky Pig jumped up. She unclipped her big diary and slammed it on my desk. Let me help you out, boss, she said. Just tell me what you need. What's your problem? I sighed. Of course, I could not take this little mouse seriously. But I did have a problem. I am sure you can't help me, I said. I have to find information on a very rare cheese for an article I am writing. I don't even know what it's called. It is made in a small village in the fossil forest. I need to know how it is made and how much it costs. Pinky Pig grinned. Leave it to me, boss, she said. I can find anything on the net. I'm a regular cheese whiz when it comes to the computer. She sat down in front of the computer and grabbed the mouse. I didn't try to stop her. Something told me she wouldn't take no for an answer. I could not believe it. Half an hour later, Pinky Pig was done. Here you are, she said. The cheese is called Mega Cheese. It comes from the village of Little Cheeseville. They only make 7 whole cheeses a year, she said. That is because it takes 3,000 gallons of milk to make 1 pound of cheese. It's very nutritious and very expensive. So what do you think about Geronimo's new assistant, Pinky Pig? And do you think he managed to fire her at the end? Or did she continue to work for him?